Yep.
Kalamazoo, Michigan's on. GMP's on. Young C the King, Young C the God. Got my boy Money Meech behind the cameras.
Yep.
Just came to drop a little sample, rock an acapella just to let them know how serious I am about my craft. I'm like, you could tell it's showtime cause the lights is bright. Competition come on down, the price is right. Nah, how you wanna do it, baby? We could get it. All you gotta do is say it, and I'm with it. Let me crease up my fitted, lower it a bit, roll me a spliff, and baseball these other rappers till I'm filthy rich. I train rappers like an Amtrak. I used to trap, no lab rat. But this rapping what I'm bad at. Give me an inch, I'ma shoot in your face. A pump fake to the basket, I move like Blake. Take care of these other rappers, throw my deuces to Drake. Laugh now and later, cause you still gon' hate. If I get signed to a team and they let me in the game, first week I'm aiming for 3 like I'm shooting the tray. You pop lead, I put the pen in the page. I am a walking 16, I brought ID, you wanna question the age. On my max box 20-ish, keep about 20 lit. Hot box the whip so she high if she don't take a hit. Yes. I get high and ignite. Baseline 91 and guess who playing Mike? No disrespect to any bug, but we kill roaches. Gotta show my players love, but I feel coaches. My grandma died last month and I'm still focused. It's been 4 years since we last spoken. Now let's get deep. My mom dead even though she still breathed. And my dad is like a chick who wears hard on his sleeve. Understand I had nothing but love. Y'all ain't wanna take the time, it's all good cause now your time is up. Catch me leaning to the left cause my flow's so right. Been working my whole life, now it hurt to write. Yes, a young God, I ain't biblical homes, but I bless MCs from the pinnacle. I am the realest young rapper, illest young rapper, killer young rapper, any young rapper, it don't even matter. It ain't no smell when I get hot on wax. Call me grease of jail, how I lay down tracks. Yes, matter of fact, I like my currency in stacks. GMP's Young C, the underground king of rap. That's a rap.